Assalamu alaikum, Your Holiness.
Assalaam.
I have two questions. The first is, I've read that the Ahmadiyya sect is the fastest growing sect in Islam. What is so attractive about Ahmadiyya that people are converting to it? And have you got any figures on how many people in the UK are becoming Ahmadiyya every year?
Yes, as the figures of those who are very well attached to the community is almost 28,000, 29,000, yes. But I cannot give you the overall figure of the whole world. Some places the organizational setup is not very well established, so they cannot have the figures. But we are in millions, all across the world, all over the world. Why people are accepting it is that we are spreading the message of true Islam. We are interpreting the true teachings of the Holy Quran. We claim that what we are teaching, what we are preaching is the actual original teaching of Islam, which was practiced and preached by the Holy Prophet of Islam. So when the people see something good in us, they come accept. That is the heart in the hands of Allah, not in anybody's hand. So when they are satisfied, they come and join us, right? Our message is always that there are so many cases where people come to join us, but we still say, no, you still do some more research, get yourself satisfied, then come and join. Because there should not be any hurried action taken by you. Right?